A very good morning to everyone. I hope you are all fit and fine in your home. Before starting the syllabus of your plus one class in a chemistry, firstly I will discuss the syllabus of chemistry. In plus one class in chemistry syllabus, you total have a 14 chapter. The name of these chapters are the name of first chapter is some basic concept of a chemistry. In this chapter, you will discuss different laws which is related with the matters, its composition, its properties, significant figure, empirical formula, molecular formula. These all things, these basic things, how to balance a chemical reaction, which you have done in a class 10th and ninth. Also, this type of a basic concept you will discuss in first chapter, and the name of the second chapter is the structure of a atom. In that chapter you will deal with the complete information about the atom. What is the composition of an atom, how the subatomic particles of an atom like electron, protons and neutrons is discovered, how their properties and which are the different laws which affect the structure of a atoms, or also the quantum numbers and a molecular orbital theory. And the next chapter is the classification of an element and a periodicity in a element. I think you all know about the periodic table. This chapter you also done in a class 10th. In class 10th you will do the periodic table, how the elements are arranged in a table is called a periodic table, and how its physical properties like its atomic radii, ionization energy, electronegativity is vary when we move in a group or a period. This all type of a things we discuss in a chapter 3rd. This is a classification of an element and the periodicity of a property. And the chapter 4th is the chemical bonding and molecular structure. This is a very important chapter and the basis of your class plus 2. In a chemical bonding you will do the different type of a bonds like a covalent bond, their properties, ionic bond, electrovalent bond. Ionic bond is also called a electrovalent bond, and the third bond is a coordinate bond, and Vesper theory, hybridization, and one more important topic, that is a molecular orbital diagram of a different molecules. This type of a things we will discuss in a chapter 4. And the name of the 5th chapter is the state of a matter. You know, have you heard the name matter, which you have done in a class 10th? The matters is available into a 3 physical states. These are a solid, liquid and gas. These 3 physical states and their details we will discuss in a chapter 5th. And your chapter 6 is a chemical thermodynamics. The thermodynamic means the heat. With heat we are related with our different terms like Gibbs free energy, enthalpy change, entropy change, internal energy, mechanical energy, electrical energy. In this chapter we will discuss with the different form of a heat and their formulas and their relation with the other energy, heat, capacity, etc. And the next chapter, your 7th chapter, is the equilibrium. Equilibrium is the state of a chemical equation in which the reactant is equal to the product. At that stage is called a chemical equilibrium. At equilibrium, what are the conditions and what are the various possibilities done, we will discuss in this chapter. And the most important is the Le Chatelier principle. Le Chatelier principle, in which we will discuss the effect of a temperature, pressure and the concentration. This is a very important principle, and on the basis of this principle we will discuss so many things in the other chapter 2. And your 8th chapter is a redox reaction. Again, this is a very most important chapter. In that chapter you will done a number of things like oxidation and reduction. You are very familiar with these words, and these words you will do in our class 10th in a chapter 1st, chemical reactions and equation. In this redox reaction chapter you will done the electrochemical cell, electromotive series, oxidation, reduction, oxidizing agent, redox reaction, reducing agent. This type of things we will discuss in a chapter redox reaction. And your next chapter is a chapter 9th is the hydrogen. In this chapter you will discuss all about the hydrogens, its physical properties, chemical properties, its occurrence and the compound and the different compound in which the hydrogen is involved. And your next chapter is a chapter 10th is the S block elements, and chapter 11th is the P block element. In S or P you are familiar with this word S and P block. S block in which metals is related, and in a P block non-metals are related. In these 2 chapters, in a chapter 10th and 11th, we will discuss the different groups which is present in a S block and a P block. In S block you will discuss the group 1, group 2, and in P block you will discuss the group 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 and 18. What are their physical properties, their chemical properties, and their different compound in which the element of a group 2, 1, 13, 14, 15 and the different elements belong, like a chapter of a hydrogens. These three chapters belong with a physical chemistry, or this is a very important concept. And your next chapter is the organic chemistry. Again, this is a very important chapter, and your 12th chapter, which is the basis of your class plus 2. In class plus 2 you have a complete 4 chapter that is related with the organic chemistry, and organic chemistry is related with the study of an organic compound. You heard the name of an organic compound in a class 10th, like you have heard the name of some functional group like carboxylic acid, alcohol, or aldehyde and halogens. This all type of a functional group is differentiate into one individual chapter. So you will do all this type of a functional group and their nomenclature and how their organic compounds are arranged in a different direction and in a different shapes. This all things and the different concept related with this you will discuss in this chapter. This is the most important chapter. And the next chapter is the hydrocarbon. And hydrocarbon is the one part of an organic compound. It is the starting simplest compound, organic compound. This is the hydrocarbon. Again, this hydrocarbon is divided into a 3 portion. One is the alkane, alkene, alkyne and the benzene. Again, this is the most important chapter and the basic of your plus 2 class 2. And at the last, 14th chapter is the environmental chemistry, in which you will discuss all the things related with the environment. In environment, how many layers are present, which are the spheres which belong to our environment, which type of gases are present, different type of pollutions. You heard with the name of a soil pollution, water pollution, this type of a different type of pollutions. Or one most important things, that is a ozone layer. You know the name of a ozone layer, which protect us from the ultraviolet radiation that is coming from the sun. These are the summary of your 14 chapters, which is the syllabus of a class plus 1. And your paper is of a 70 marks. आपका जो एग्जाम है बेटा फाइनल में 11th का और प्लस 2 का वो 70 मार्क्स का होता है. 30 मार्क्स के आपके प्रैक्टिकल्स में होते हैं, और वो 30 मार्क्स भी डिफरेंट पोर्शंस में डिवाइडेड होते हैं. तो दिस इज ऑल अबाउट योर सिलेबस. After that, we will discuss starting with the first chapter. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye bye everyone.